welcome back. Thomas Varghese was from here. That's why Bengalis come to Kerala because. Hey. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. राइट नाउ आई एम इन जंगनासरी प्राइवेट बस स्टैंड और आज हमारा प्लान है कि हम लोग तिरुवल्ला में जाएंगे. तिरुवल्ला में जाके कुछ एक्सप्लोरिंग करेंगे, कुछ ब्लॉग बनाएंगे. और आज मंडे है और अभी 11:37 AM है और आज 26 जुलाई है. आई केम टू प्राइवेट बस स्टैंड बिकॉज इन प्राइवेट बस स्टैंड यूजुअली पीपल आर नॉट टू मच, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई हैव टू वेट टू गो टू द but I came to the private bus stand, but there is no people out here, and because of that I will have to wait. But if I go to KSRTC bus stand, I would have gotten the bus very soon, but it's very crowded and I don't want to go to a crowded place because I still need to get vaccinated and I do not get any slot for vaccination. It's very difficult to get the slot for vaccination, so I'm trying. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to Tiruvalla, and Tiruvalla is a city of NRIs because here mostly non-resident Indians live. They don't live here. They used to live here. So this is the land of NRIs. So this is the KSRTC bus stand out here. It's a big building, right? So guys, today we are going to be randomly exploring here in Tiruvalla, and Tiruvalla lies near the river Pamba, and I forgot the other name. I did some research but I forgot. It's quite open, huh? So this is the KSRTC bus stand out here. To be true, I have come to Tiruvalla so many times. Like I have been to the KSRTC bus stand and I have been to the Marthoma College for my NTC, but I have never come to this part of Tiruvalla, to the market, and I think it's going to be amazing vlogging here. Let's explore. I don't know where should I go. Tiruvalla is really famous for its sports and culture, and there are some palace from some kind of royal family, and I think in Tiruvalla cricket and football is very famous. For example, a very famous football player Thomas Verghese was from here, as well as there are so many Malayalam actor, actress, journalists, cartoonists were all from Tiruvalla. So Tiruvalla is a very important place. Tokyo Olympics. Basically, I don't know where I should go. I have not planned anything. Let's just walk around, right? Yeah, that's better. So yeah, we are here in Tiruvalla. I don't know which part I should be going. So I think I will check that in my Google Maps, and then I will let you know where I'm going. There is so many places to visit here, I think, because it's a very big area. Maybe I think Tiruvalla is a municipal town, maybe around 25 kilometers large area. So I don't know where I should be going. I mean, it's very huge. So guys, right now I'm really hungry because it's my lunch time is around 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and I really have to search a restaurant here in Tiruvalla and have some food. Also, the charge is dying. I just have around 38% left, and this is a regular issue with the charge of the GoPro. I have to pay extra battery, as I have been telling, and it's a nice place. And according to Wikipedia, I mean, I don't have this much knowledge, but according to Wikipedia, people in Tiruvalla are mostly Hindus and Christians, and very few are Muslims out here. I mean, according to religion, I'm talking about the demographics, you know. And most of the people, I mean, all the people are Malayalis there, because in Kerala Malayalis are there, right? So yeah, and most of the people here in Tiruvalla are NRIs, and they are not here, and that's the reason why the population in Tiruvalla is declining, and the fertility rate, the fertility rate is also declining, and most of the schools have been closed here because of low population. I mean, there's lack of children because most of the population go out of India. They're all NRIs, right? They go to the Gulf countries and other countries, and yeah, that's why they have workers who are not from Kerala. The workers in Kerala are from other states. Tiruvalla is also known as the land or the city of non-resident Indians. Middle generations go to foreign land for their job and for their livelihood, right? So that is one of the reasons why Bengalis come to Kerala, because most of the people here in Kerala love white-collar jobs and they leave India to like fill the void. The Bengali workers come here in Kerala for their work, because in Kerala the wages is quite higher compared to other states, I guess. I mean, according to some of my subscribers, I have posted about this, and they commented there that people like Bengalis come to Kerala for work because the wage here is much higher than other states. Also, all the people who come to work in Kerala are not Bengalis. For example, when I go and work around, people might think that I'm a Bengali, but I'm not a Bengali. I'm a Northeast Indian. And yeah, Bengali doesn't mean only workers. There are so many great Bengali who have done a lot for our country. For example, Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bankim Chandra, Vidyasagar, and so many more. I don't know what to talk right now. I think I should use my glasses to look more confident, because I'm not looking confident right now. So guys, my destination is not decided. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just like exploring without knowing a destination. I mean, yeah, this part of Tiruvalla is unknown to me, because like I have not come to this part. Maybe I have traveled through like vehicle. Maybe I travel by vehicle. I must be in the vehicle or bus or any kind of transport, but I have not walked in this area. So it's a new thing for me. Hey. I thought of vlogging. No content. So
Okay.
where are you going? Yes, one day Malayalam.
Okay.
It's amazing. I meet him again. Guys, if you have seen my old video, I will give the I button somewhere, and you can see that video. They are my friends, and they have helped me a lot in that video. So going exactly.
We are going for a location. Somebody vlogging with the camera.
Okay. Any good place to visit here?
Have you gone Bengal?
I have not gone anywhere.
Changaseri Bengal. You should go there after 3 o'clock.
Today?
Yeah, you can get sunrise, sunset.
Oh, is it hilly area?
No.
Plain.
Paddy area, Paddy like Alappuzha, but Changaseri, just about 5 kilometers.
I'm going.
Carry on.
So they just came suddenly and we just met here. They are my friends out here and they have a YouTube channel called One Day Malayalam, and it's amazing that they came here to meet me. The problem with the charge of this GoPro is a big one. I have to buy new battery, as I have been telling in my old videos as well. So if this video get viral, I can buy that new battery, and I just need few more dollars to reach my $100. So yeah guys, please watch this video, and if you like the video, please share it. I know this video is going to be chaotic because I do not plan to do anything. I just thought I will just come to a random place and vlog. So that's what I'm doing. So let me use these sunglasses to look more confident, because when we use sunglasses we are really confident. And yeah, nice place. Narendra Modi ji is out there, just like in Tripura. I think every petrol pump have him, as is the Prime Minister of India, respected Prime Minister. So definitely. It's difficult to vlog and talk in the same time. I mean, it's difficult to like vlog and film in the same time. And also this sunglasses is making it hard to breathe, but I have to use the sunglasses so that I look more confident, because my eyes go left and right, east and south, and because of that I look not confident. दोस्तों मैं ये नोटिस कर रहा हूँ कि आजकल मैं हिंदी से ब्लॉग नहीं बना रहा, बिकॉज माई हिंदी इज़ वेरी बैड. आई स्टॉप ब्लॉगिंग इन हिंदी. बेसिकली हमेशा इंग्लिश से ही ब्लॉग बनाता रहता हूँ. आई ऑलवेज थिंक इन इंग्लिश, आई ऑलवेज टॉक इन इंग्लिश. सो हिंदी से ब्लॉग बनाना भूल ही गया, सॉरी गाइस. बट आई हैव टू मेक वीडियोस इन हिंदी, बिकॉज वैसे भी हम लोग इंडिया में है, तो इंडिया में तो हिंदी ही चलता है. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द ब्लॉगर्स प्रीफर टू ब्लॉग इन हिंदी व्हेन दे आर इन इंडिया. तो मुझे भी हिंदी से ब्लॉग बनाना होगा, लेकिन मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा ख़राब है, कच्चा है, इंग्लिश से भी बुरा है. लेकिन मैं ट्राई करूँगा, अभी से ट्राई करूँगा. इस पार्ट से, इस वीडियो के इस पार्ट से मैं हिंदी से बोलूँगा. अगर गलती हो जाए तो माफ़ कर देना, क्योंकि मेरा हिंदी बहुत ख़राब है, पहले से बोल देता हूँ. तो बेसिकली हम लोग अभी किधर जाएगा मुझे नहीं पता. ये देखो यहाँ पे कासावा है, कासावा मार्केट है. इसे यहाँ पे काप्पा बोलते हैं, एंड इट इज़ अ कासावा. And in Tripura we call it thabulchu. We eat it, we love it. I hope I don't get lost. Traffic jam. Basically I don't know where I'm going. I am just walking. My destination is not planned. It doesn't matter, right guys? Just keep on enjoying how Tiruvalla looks. That's all. This is some vegetable vendors out here. Onion, tomatoes, chilies, potatoes, everything. Yeah, like as usual vegetables out here. Pulimuti silks. Yeah, I think Kerala is really famous for its silks. Tiruvalla MC Road. Indian Post Office. Basically, the city have ended. तो भाई और बहनों, अभी रोड क्रॉस करेंगे. रोड क्रॉसिंग इज़ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट फॉर मी. मुझे रोड क्रॉस करना नहीं आता, और यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक लाइट्स भी नहीं है, तो ये व्हीकल स्टॉप नहीं करेंगे. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा आगे. ओह गॉड, हाउ विल आई गो? रुक लेता हूँ. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू across the road for me. Finally, finally I crossed the road. It's difficult. I mean, I don't know how and why, but I really can't cross the road. I need to learn, I guess. Anyway, let's go and search for a restaurant to have a good meal. I have been wanting to eat some traditional Kerala food, so we'll go and search that. So these are the small shops out here where you can find various type of clothes. Yeah, it's like Tripura market, you know. It's like any Indian market. So many people out here. It's really chaos, and nobody cares about corona anymore because like vaccine is out there available. But the problem is I do not get vaccinated yet. It's only because like karna chahta tha main vaccinate, but I don't get a slot for vaccination. So that's the thing. KFC. Oh, let's try something in KFC instead of something traditional. Let's go. Well guys, I just bought something from the KFC from here, but the problem is it's takeaway and we can't eat there. So I have to search a place where I can eat these things. I don't know where I can do that. So basically I got this from the KFC, but I don't know where I will eat because it was takeaway. There was no place out there, so it's really difficult. 40,000. 40,000. I know I did a mistake by taking KFC. Crash this and take it along with me because kasra nahi karna. Swachh Bharat. Guys, I'm really tired. I was thinking I will have lunch there in KFC, but it was takeout, obviously because of coronavirus. We are going to be doing something crazy. So we are here in the KSRTC bus stand right now, and it's time to return to the base, to my hostel, because it's better to go. I mean, the GoPro is dying. I have less charge here, so जाना में ही भला है और कल करूँगा ब्लॉग फिर से. So guys, let's go back to where we have started a journey. And I know this video is not too interesting. I have to learn a lot about places and talk about them, but I have not done that in this video because I was really lazy and I was little busy also, so I did not get time to prepare for that because I was preparing for my practical and my theory class. I mean, let's go. This is the bus to Changasari.